Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Singapore food court Korean barbecue pork. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare our marinade. I'm using my La Gourmet vacuum blender. This is an electronic blender with vacuum technology. What is good about this is that it actually provides prolonged freshness with a vacuum seal. It has a hygienic glass jar and a 6-blade 3D whirlpool blending technology and easy one-touch operation. Capacity is 1.5 liters. For the marinade, we'll put in 1 big tablespoon of brown sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. 30 milliliters of water. We also need 60 grams of yellow onions, a stalk of spring onion using the stem part only, 4 grams of young ginger, as well as 2 cloves of garlic. Put them all in. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, light soy sauce, as well as half a teaspoon of salt. This is a basic, or rather a very easy way to make the marinade. Put the lid on and we'll start to blend this. Turn the power on and we'll start to blend this. The marinade is blended. Let me show you. The blended marinade will look like this. I'll show you the next step now. For this dish, I've chosen pork fillet. This is extremely tender. 250 grams of this, sliced thinly like this. If you cannot find pork fillet, the next choice of meat you can use will be pork shoulder or even pork hind leg. But this is definitely the best because this is very, very tender. In the event that you do not take pork, you can substitute this with beef or with chicken. Now we'll add in the marinade. Pour everything in. This blender is very good, as you can see. All our ingredients or marinade has been blended very, very finely. Mix it up well. Try to mix it in one direction. Let the pork absorb the beautiful marinade that we have over here. It's going to be so good. Mix it up until you cannot see any liquid like this. Right, this is what we want, for the pork to absorb all the beautiful marinade. Next, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is to seal the pork so that all the juices will remain inside when we fry this or grill. Mix that up well again. After this, we'll just cover this up and put this in the fridge to marinate for an hour. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put our dish together. I'm using a 32 cm non-stick wok from Shogun by La Gourmet. This is part of the Midori series. Turn on the heat. I'm using medium heat for this. Pour in a suitable amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in half an onion, sliced thinly like this. The stem of 2 spring onions, I've split them up. Put it in. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Add them in. We'll stir fry them until they are fragrant. I'm using medium heat for this. Once you can start to smell the fragrance, we'll add in our pork. Add in your pork. Spread them up. Mix them up well. Stir fry them. This is a very easy to prepare dish. You can marinate the pork way before and you can cook it at any time that you want. Make sure you spread them up so that they will cook properly. You can have this as a one dish meal and it's very easy to prepare. It has onions, spring onions, garlic inside here. And if you'd like to add any greens, you can too, no problem. Cooking is all about being innovative. Right, once you don't see any redness, we'll add in our gochujang. 1 tablespoon of gochujang, put it in. Now you might ask, why did I not marinate this together with the pork? The reason being, gochujang is actually pretty sweet. If I were to add it together and then fry them up together, I'm afraid that it will burn without the pork being properly cooked. Right, we just need to really mix them up well now. Very simple. This dish is almost done. Finally, we add in the greens of the spring onions. Turn off the heat and mix it up. We'll serve this on a hot plate and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. Juicy, tender, a little bit of spiciness from the gochujang, the ginger, the garlic. Oh my god, this is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye. Wow, 香。